Hey Apple, I have a song for you. Oops, Apple did it again. I mean, seriously? Hello folks, I am Kazi Omar, this is Technologically Challenged, and welcome to a brand new episode of Snapshot. A few days ago, Apple released a support video on their YouTube channel on how you can disable Find My iPhone. Here, have a look.
In Settings, tap your name, tap Find My, then tap Find My iPhone, and turn it off.
Whoa! Did you see that? Did you notice something? Here, let me help. As soon as you go into Find My iPhone, just under Enable Offline Finding, you can see a reference to something called AirTags. Now officially, there's nothing called AirTags. Unofficially though, we've heard about it before. Last year, sometime in October, 9to5Mac reported that they found something interesting in the codes of iOS 13.2. Ever since that article, we got to know a lot more info on AirTags. We now know it is a personal tracker of sorts which work without network connectivity or even Wi-Fi connection. It essentially works through Bluetooth and a peer-to-peer mechanism. Now, if you want to know more about that system, put it down in the comment section below and I will explain it in a whole other video. A bit of a side note though. Apple since then has deleted the video from their channel, but you can see the video on my channel. Here you go.
In Settings, tap your name, tap Find My, then tap Find My iPhone, and turn it off.
Next up, we have Samsung, and our boy Sammy has been busy with a new design. WinFuture.de, a German website, has supposedly managed to get their hands on a 3D data directly from Samsung. Apparently, it is of the new Samsung Galaxy Buds. Rightly so, they ran with it and made amazing 3D renders. And boy oh boy are we in for a treat. What you see here is not a pack of jelly beans that you can just eat. No. It is actually the new Samsung Galaxy Buds. I mean, seriously Samsung, why not call it Beans by DJ Cole? I mean, the writings on the wall just call it Beans by DJ Cole. See? Now, before you guys say anything, rumors and leaks, most of them never see the light of day. And this is exactly what these are, rumors and leaks. Samsung has also not officially confirmed anything in any way, shape or form. So, this is just what it is, rumors. Leaks. By the looks of it, the lower part of the buds would essentially go into your ear while the upper part of the buds will conform to the upper part of your ear in a very minimalistic way. They also claim that these earbuds come with a number of built-in microphones and a proximity sensor. That is all we know so far about these earbuds, and honestly I don't think this is the final design. But hey, I can be very wrong. And also Samsung, Beans by DJ Cole! And last but not least, we have a bit of good news. A Japanese university called Business Breakthrough University, dope name by the way, dope name, held their graduation ceremony yesterday. Now why is that so important and what does that have to do with tech? Because of everything that's happening in the world right now, pretty much everything, including universities, are closed indefinitely. No end in sight. But they still managed to hold their virtual graduation ceremony yesterday. They used remote-controlled robots called Numi and connected with students using Zoom. Questionable choice, but that's a rant for a whole other day. And the best part of it all, the Numi robots had their own graduation cap and gowns. I mean, seriously, that is some high-level thinking right there.
Too damn high.
And students all over the country were able to attend their own graduation while staying completely safe in their respective homes. And honestly, this is the kind of wholesome news we all live for. So a massive thank you to Business Breakthrough University, once again, dope name, for inspiring so many others to do the same, and I genuinely wish you the best of luck for the future. And this is it for this week's tech news. If you want to join in on a very fun conversation with myself and my boy Brian, click on this link over here. And if you want to know which video YouTube thinks is the best for you, click on this link over here because we all know YouTube knows you better than you know yourself. As always, remember to subscribe, hit that like button, smash that bell icon, and I'll see you on the next one.